Today we're going to do a walk around on this 2013 Peterbilt 579 with a Cummins ISX and a 13-speed transmission. I'm going to point out any cosmetic blemishes, any oil leaks, tire tread, etc. Okay, right now we're going to go through all the cosmetic stuff. Any blemishes I see, I'm going to point out to you. As you can see, the paint is nice, no oxidation. Back here, we're going to have a little bit of grease on the back. Get that off, a little wash job. We got some 22.5s right here. Seem to be in pretty good shape. A couple little nicks. Right here, a little curvage. Tire tread. See, we got about 50% on these tires or better. Nice clean California frame. No major rust or any pitting whatsoever. Show you some brake wear right here. Let's see if we can get in there on the brakes. Got about 50% on those brakes. Again, a little bit of some nicks and stuff. And these are sitting on recaps. You can see that. And here we had a PTO installed. So there's your 35-gallon tank plumbed in at the bottom. Two-line hydraulic system right there. Battery box is in good shape. It's not banged up. No major dents or anything like that. Steps are straight. Let's go to the side door here. Fenders. Let's go to this tire tread in the front. I'd say these are a newer set of tires. Looks like the knobbies are still on them, so I'd say there's at least 95% on these tires. Okay, and then we're going to go inside the cab here in just a second. Tank's nice and straight. You see any major dents on this thing? Go underneath it. Let me see if you can see underneath there. Seat's got a little bit of wear and tear right there, just, you know, from getting in and out. Passenger seat doesn't look like it's been really used much. Dash is very straight, no holes or anything like that from mounting phones or any electronics. You got your steering wheel controls right here. Looks like you have cruise on there. You have your stereo. Let me zoom in on the miles here for you. 240,000 miles. And over here, we're gonna just show you real quick. You have an inner axle lock right there, your fifth wheel slide, and your air suspension dump. And up here you have your automatic and manual regen, enable and disable button. You got your satellite stereo, AC. Then over here you have your 3-stage engine brake. See if you can clear up the zoom there. And down here you have your PTO control tower. And now we're going to go underneath a little bit and under the hood. Show you the top of the hood real quick. Still no cosmetic blemishes that stand out at all. Again, California truck, nice and clean frame and components. Here's your big block ISX. Engine tag. And let's go underneath real quick here. See for any oil leaks and whatnot. Now these trucks, they do get cleaned, but the advantage we have is we take them for a drive, get them nice and hot to see if any new leaks are exposed at any time. Just so you know, we wouldn't be hiding much there. And here's the bell housing, and tranny. And there is your PTO and your pump. Nice little setup. And that's a multi-purpose pump there, which means you can connect and have different applications for your wet line system. Show your mounting bracket right back here too. There's your pump, there's your extra ports. Mounting bracket. Full scale underneath. And here's the other side of the engine. Typically when we're doing a live face-to-face FaceTime, I will ask you if you see anything that you want me to slow down on or revisit at the end. And that will conclude our walk around on the 2013 Peterbilt 579.